Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to see if you are blocked on Messenger. Why would you want to know how to see if you are blocked on Messenger? Well, maybe it is your first time using Messenger and not sure how to see if you were blocked on Messenger. So today I am going to show you how to see if you were blocked on Messenger. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing if you were blocked on Messenger is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Messenger. Open any chat. If you are seeing these all options, message, emoji, thumb, media and other options, it means you were not blocked by them. If you can't see these and you see you can't message this account, it means you were blocked by this account. Let me show you another chat. Here it is written you can't message this account. It means this account has blocked you. There you go. If you wanted to know how to see if you were blocked on Messenger, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.